children, how are you? Have you had a nice Saturday today? So we're going to do a little bedtime story again. We're going to do a book called Snore by Michael Rosen and Jonathan Langley. Snore. Does mommy or daddy snore? Most of the times our daddy snore, hey, but you know, I've asked Uncle Graham, I said to him, you snored last night? And he said, no, I didn't. I didn't hear myself snore. So next time we're going to record him. Okay, Snore. It looks like it's a farm animal book. Okay, here we go. All was quiet on the farm. Dog was asleep, cat was asleep, cow was asleep. It's like you. You're going to be asleep soon. Hey? They were all sleeping in the middle of the day. Sheep was asleep, pig was asleep. Oh, and all the piglets were asleep. Isn't that cute? Oh, I'd love a little piglet for a pet, hey? It was all so perfect until snore. And cat woke up, and cow woke up, and sheep woke up, and pig woke up. And so did all the piglets wake up. Uh-oh. Everybody's awake now because the dog was snoring. He carries on. Snore. Snore. It was so loud. No one could sleep. Not cat or cow or sheep or pig, nor all the piglets. He is having a really good sleep. Again, snore. How can we get dog to stop snoring so we can all get back to sleep? Said cat. Oh, look at that. I love these pictures. Aren't these pictures gorgeous? I know, said cow. And cow went up to dog and he went, tissue! Right down his ear. It didn't work. He still snored. I know, said sheep. And sheep went up to dog and went, boo! Right down his ear. The snore just got louder. It didn't help. Snore. Oh, he's having a really good sleep. Now, I know, said pig. And pig went up to dog and went, hee 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 hee, right down his ear. And all the piglets went, hee 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 hee. Guess what happened, children? Snore. He carried on snoring. I know, said cat. Why don't we sing to him? Maybe that'll stop him snoring and we can all go back to sleep. What's going to happen? So cat went purr, snore. Cow went moo, snore. Sheep went ba, snore. It's not working. They're singing and he's still snoring. And pig went oink. And all the little pig went grunt, 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 grunt. Guess what happened? Snore. He didn't wake up. Then, as the sun rose up over the trees, Rooster woke up with a cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Guess what happened? Dog went humph, humph. Look at that, he woke up with a cock-a-doodle-doo. And off he trotted down the road after his good night's sleep. So he was snoring. Everybody else was awake because he was making such a noise. The little rooster went cock-a-doodle-doo. He woke up, went down the road after a good night's sleep. Guess what happened to all the other farm animals? What do you think they went and did? Cat, cow, sheep, pig, and all the piglets were so exhausted because they didn't get any sleep. They fell asleep into a deep sleep. Can you see all the words? All over. It says snore, snore, snore. They were so exhausted that they had such a good night's sleep, a good day's sleep. And then what did the dog do? He went chasing the ducks and the little chicks and the ducklings, hey? That's what he decided to do for the day while everybody else was sleeping. Oh, he's a cute little dog, hey? Little brown dog. So, tonight, when you go sleep, if you go into a deep, deep sleep, maybe you can snore too. Children have been known to snore. But I really hope that you have a wonderful night's sleep and you have a lovely day tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. Hope you have a lovely day. And guess what? Your teachers are coming back to school on Monday. They've been allowed back. So we're going to get the classrooms all ready for you. And we hope we're going to be seeing you soon. We've got some good news to tell everybody. School's going to be opening very, very soon. So we're going to see you. You must have a lovely weekend, okay? Bye, children. Nighty-night.